So a bent pop-up bar is fairly easy to replace. There are only 4 screws involved with the replacement. This generally happens when Velcro is still attached somewhere to the frame and you try to take it down, or if someone tries to push it up a little bit too fast. I've also seen it get caught on a carpet being pushed down, and that can happen. So if it ever does happen to you, just let us know and we can send out a replacement. And as you're watching this video, you can see it just takes 4 screws to be taken out and replace the bar, and then put the 4 screws back in again. If you have any other questions, let us know.